she offered classes. Like so, she said she gives these classes like how to become a personal chef,
Mm-hmm.
how to cost up your events, how to incorporate your travels. And she has these courses, and I think she charges for the course like $400.
Yeah.
And oh, I looked up, so she gives you a breakdown from beginning to end on how to be a personal chef, and people buy the courses. I was amazed. It was amazing how many people, so many people on that site that bought the course. The site crashed. I
Dude,
was like,
that's you. You have all of that knowledge. You
mm-hmm,
have probably 4 or 5 online courses in you right off the rip. We just need to focus on just one. But that's another passive income source.
mm-hmm,
That's a you transfer your knowledge one time, put it into this product that an unlimited number of people can buy without you having to talk to them. That's passive
mm-hmm,
income. All them
right,
people, they come out of culinary school and they know how to cook, but they don't know the first thing about the business of food.
mm-hmm. And that was me coming out of
Yeah,
culinary school. I didn't know.
exactly. Nobody does. School don't
Yeah,
teach you what you need to be successful. It teaches you the foundations of the skill, but as far as actually applying it out and being successful in business, you got to learn that from somebody who's done it.
yes,
And
yes.
you, a $500 course, for example, that's a drop in the bucket compared to what they just paid for
For
culinary
school.
school. Yeah. And culinary school taught them how to cook. It didn't teach them how to make money. Your
Mm-hmm.
course, effectively, relatively speaking, costs nothing, but it's actually going to teach them how to make money. So
Right.
that kind of thing just sells itself. So
Definitely.
yeah, you got
Definitely.
all kind of revenue streams that you're not currently leveraging